Dry. So karon ang sa imong tibangan sa about sa soil. By the way, ako is Joseph. Gikan ko sa uh, agriculture, major in soil science. So karon gusto ko mag-asa mo. Tama kay knowledge about sa soil science. Soil wala.
Wala.
So wala yun, wala. So kaning soil science, basic po niya siya sa mga yuta-yuta. Yuta po niya siya sa agriculture gyapon. So sa pagatiman sa yuta o sa sakto nga yuta ana. So karon nakoy isa ka topic diri nga ako isabuton mo. Gamay rin siya pero nakaduwag na sa idea gamay. So kung siya ang definition and composition of soil. So tara, so what is soil science? So mabasa diri nga ang soil science deals with the study of soil as a natural resource on the surface of the earth. It include soil formation, physical properties, classification and mapping, and chemical, biological, and fertility properties. So sa soil, aduna kini approaches in the study of the soil na ang una ni is pedological approach o pedological approach. So kaning pedological approach, it consists soil as a natural body with major emphasis on its genesis and classification as it occurs in the environment. Ang kaning ecological approach, it deals with the influence of soils on living things, particularly plants, including humans, use of plants for plant growth. So sa imong kung na ingon karon, nan ba kay mga idea ang mga nakuha nimo na yung kung gamay nga kunin mo i-ask ko sa kuha. Ano?
Anong importante ang soil?
So tanaw nga nung importante ang soil. So ang soil importante kini sa tuwa kay tungod help us understand the manage of the soil which is essential sa pag-growing sa crops o the system sa ecosystems. So healthy soil support plant growth, filter water, stores carbon, and provides a habitat for numerous organisms. Also, it is crucial for agriculture ni siya, pero sa environmental, sa conservation, and combating climate change, pag-study sa soil, we can improve ang pag-practice na ensure itong food security o pag-protect sa mga natural resources. So, muna ang soil science na paano mo ron? So, napaka another question para sa mo. Nakuha.
Wala na siguro.
Ito. So karon dry ang padayon dapat na topic. So karon dili mo ka sa total land area of the Philippines. So aduna kini 38 hectares o aduna kini 120 plus M na people. So sa agricultural na siya 14 M per ha. So at sa soil science na po siya fields of specialization. Ang first three ang soil fertility, soil physics, soil microbiology, soil chemistry, soil conservation and management, soil survey and classification, and soil mineralogy and land use. So there is a fields of specialization in soil science. So ang first diri ang soil fertility. So nag-study kini sa status sa soil. So with respect to the form, amount, and availability of nutrients necessary for plant growth and development. So kaning soil conservation and management, muna siya ang the protection of the soil against physical loss and erosion or chemical deterioration. So sa soil microbiology, dire makarakterize atong ang important of groups of microorganisms in the soil and their role in the physical and biological changes. So in the soil genesis, so ang morphology and classification deals with the structural characteristics, mode of origin, and systematic arrangement of soils. So ang uban na nimo na siya ang soil physics, soil chemistry and mineralogy, and land use. So kani sila, importante din sila sa soil science. Dosa na din na soil. So napadre about sa soil science as a natural resources. So napadre ang uses of soil science as a natural resource. Nadi ang medium for plant growth, system for water and purification, habitat for soil organisms, and medium of waste disposal and nutrient cycling. So Ang soil, siya is a dynamic natural body formed from withering of rocks and minerals and decomposition of organic materials composed of organic matter, mineral matter, air, and water and possess distinct characteristics which is in turn influence plant growth. So, aduna kita four principal components of soil. Adunay air, mineral, ug water, ug ang last organic material. So sa air aduna kita 25%, sa water aduna 25%, sa mineral practices aduna 45%, and sa organic matter aduna 5%. So sa organic matter na siya ay sa organism sa side nga murag sa iyang pagtunga na siya 10%, siyang roots 10%, and sa humus is 80%. So kaning four major components of soil, kaning mineral matter, organic matter, soil water, soil air, mula sila ang kaning mineral matter muna siyang inorganic or non-living. Ang kaning organic matter muna siyang from living things. Ang kaning soil water in the soil. Kaning soil air muna siyang gases present in the soil. So kaning mineral matter normally composed na siya of small rocks, fragments, and minerals deformed by withering and variable sizes. Sa organic matter, nakuhaan siya materials by action of microorganism. Ang kining humus, ano siyang black substance which is the end product of decomposition. Usually black or dark brown in color and critical in nature. So, ang gatong dalas, ang gatong mineral soil and organic soil, mula sa soil that contains 20% by weight organic C and organic soil soil that contains 20% by weight organic C kapon. So in soil water occupies the pore space and performs the following functions. Ano siya ang universal solvent, nutrient carrier, nutrient itself, stabilizes soil temperature. So in soil air muna siyang occupies the pore spaces not occupied by water principal gases present are in siya. So mga tatanan akong module na ingon si mo about sa soil science, hindi lang yapon sa unit 1 about the definition and composition of soil. So maara to guys, salamat sa inyong pagdumog. Kuminaw sa